Hello all, welcome to Code Hurry. This is our first tutorial. This tutorial is meant for beginners or students who want to learn Python basics. The tutorial covers the basic concepts of Python. I've divided the tutorial into two parts. So this is the first part. I'll just give you a quick overview of which topics will be covered in the first part. So let's start. So this is a course overview. In this, first we are going to see the Python installation on Windows. Next, we are going to see introduction to Python. Introduction to Python means what do you mean? What is Python? What are the uses of Python? And much more. Then basics of Python. In basics of Python, first we are going to cover the syntax, comments, variables, data types, operators. Syntax means what is the basic syntax in which the Python program is written. Comments, how do we comment in Python? What are the variables, how the variables are used, how the variables are declared and defined and used. Data types, which all data types are supported by Python. Operators, which are the operators which can be used in Python. The next is decision making and loops in Python. Decision making means if else statements, and loops means for and while loops, which we are going to see in Python. Then we are also going to see numbers in Python. Numbers in Python means we'll just see how the numeric variables are manipulated in Python, what are the built-in functions which are there in Python for manipulation of numeric variables. Then strings. Strings, we know that strings are the sequence of characters. So how the strings can be manipulated using built-in functions in Python, and what are the manipulations which can be done on strings in Python. Then collections. Okay, what do you mean by collections? So we'll see that in detail in this section. Collections means normal variables do hold only one value at a time. So in Python we have collections. So collections can hold multiple values at a time in a single collection variable. So Python supports 4 collection variables: lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. What are these? We'll see those in detail in the coming sections. Then we'll see functions in Python. What are these? What is the syntax of functions in Python? How do we call the functions in Python, and much more. And then we'll see modules in Python. Modules, what do you mean by modules? How the modules are imported, how the modules are used, how the functions in particular modules are used, that we'll see in detail in this section. So that's all. Only these topics are covered in this section. The remaining topics will be covered in the upcoming videos in the next section. So to keep learning all these topics, stay tuned and do subscribe. Bye bye. Thanks.